What up, everybody? It is your boy, Mr. Noland. So, before we get started, you should have just seen my video on multiplying decimals. I'm now going to create a video on dividing decimals. But before that, I have to ask, how about them Longhorns, baby? They look pretty good against Louisiana Tech. See what they can do against LSU this upcoming week. But the main question you have to ask yourself is, how about them Cowboys? Gonna beat the Giants this weekend. Woo! Alright, let's go ahead and get started, guys. Here we go. Dividing decimals. There are 3 steps when you are dividing decimals. The first step is to kick the ball to the wall. You'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. The second step is however many kicks on the outside, you have to do the same amount of kicks on the inside. And the last thing you will do is divide. So 3 easy steps. This will go by pretty fast. Let's look at some examples. The first example, we have 0.7 divided by 0.21. Now you see how you have a decimal here? We're going to call this like a soccer ball, and we're going to kick the ball to the wall. So how many kicks does it take to take this ball and kick it to the wall? Well, it took 1 kick. So however many kicks you have on the outside, you have to do the same thing to the inside. Now, once you take that kick from the outside and do the same thing to the inside, this decimal now goes straight up. So it's now right here between the 2 and the 1. So step 3 is now to divide. How many times can 7 go into 2? Well, it can't. Well, how many times can 7 go into 21? It goes in there 3 times. And there's your answer. You are now done with that problem. Okay. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, do you see a decimal on the outside? No, but there is a decimal on the inside. Well, I don't care about that decimal on the inside yet. Ask yourself, is there a decimal on the outside? The answer is no. So you cannot kick the ball to the wall, which means you cannot kick this ball either. So this decimal is going to go straight up. It cannot be touched. And now straight up divide. How many times can 8 go into 6? Well, it can't. But 8 can go into 64 8 times. And you just solved that problem now too. Not too bad. All right, now let's look at number 3. Do you have a decimal on the outside? Yes, you do. How many kicks to get the ball to the wall? 1, 2 kicks. But if you notice, you have a whole number on the inside. There's no decimal. So if you have a whole number, put a decimal behind it. And now I had 2 kicks on the outside. Do 2 kicks on the inside. Well, now I got these empty spaces, don't I? Add zeros. So how many times can 3 go into 9? It can go in there 3 times. But I still have those 2 extra zeros, don't I? Bring them straight up. There's your answer. It's 300. Woo! Look at that. You are done. Not hard at all. Not too bad at all, right? Alright, guys. I hope this video helps with your homework tonight as well. Remember, all we ask is that you do your best. There's no calculators allowed on your homework. Just go with the techniques that we showed you. But remember, if there's another way you know how to multiply decimals or divide decimals, do it your way as well. There's more than one way to solve a math problem. This is just the way that we teach you guys. All right, y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to y'all soon. All right, bye.